Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my lesson. Today I will be taking you through 5 simple daily practices to sound like a native English speaker. Learning English is like learning a hands-on skill. It requires irregular practice. Let's take a hands-on skill, for example, barbing. You can't just pick a clipper and begin to barb a hair and you expect to be perfect all in a day, all in just a day practice. It's not possible. So but assuming you have done it for some time in the past, you have done it for quite a number of times, and you just pick up a clipper. The more you practice, the more you get the hang of it. So the same thing goes to a language. So if you learn today, tomorrow you get better. Okay. So if you are trying to learn English or any other language, you have to make it your habit. You have to make the habit of regular practice. Practice makes perfect, they say. So what are the 5 daily routines I recommend you to do if you are trying to learn English and become a fluent speaker? 1. Follow an audio soap opera. 2. Talk daily with natives. 3. Set a daily word goal. 4. Write a daily word goal with 8 difference. 5. Perform a daily translation of subjects you are interested in. What do I mean by a daily soap opera? Listening to an audio soap opera. A soap opera is a daily serial drama dealing with daily lives and events of the same group of characters. It's a radio program. So, and the one I will recommend you, there are local ones. But if you are trying to learn British accent, I will recommend you to listen to the Archers. I'm going to put the description to the radio, to the Archers in the description box below. Okay, just check it out. The Archers. Why the Archers? The Archers is the longest drama in history. Started in 1950, but first put on air in 1951. Thought to be absolutely perfect for English learners. It follows the daily lives and dramas of groups of fictional characters in the fictional countryside of Ambridge. Each episode is 15 minutes long, so it's something you can dedicate every day. Just dedicate 15 minutes of your time, and for the practice of English, you become fluent. If you should do it in 30 or 60 days, your communication skill is gonna improve. Bi'idhnillah. It is spoken in a clear English in a variety of accents. So the speakers that are often captured in the drama, the characters, they speak in a clear manner, in a fluent way. So, and we have British among them and non-British as well. It deals with current happening and routine things. So the fact that the drama is being recorded, each episode is being recorded, so missed part can be replayed. If you missed a day, you can listen to it the other day. It's done daily except for Saturday. All the week episode is put into one and played on a day, which is called omnibus. It's around 75 minutes long. So if we say this Archers, the Archers is a drama which is a radio drama, you understand, audio drama, which is done every single day. So if it is, let's say, from Monday to Friday, each episode on a day, all the 15 minutes episode will be captured in a day. Let's say on Sunday, okay? So it's not done on Saturday. Saturday is their break day. So for Sunday, you have everything put together called Omnibus, and you is being played, you listen to it. Each episode is beautifully produced and free to listen to. You don't have to pay, it's free. It's free to listen to. And it has a large community of fans. The lovers of the Archers are numerous. You find them on Twitter, you find them on Facebook. You can check their Facebook out, their Facebook page or Twitter page. You can check it out. So the task I have for you is that you listen to an audio soap opera 15 minutes every day and let your accent move to the next level. If you can do this, your accent will move to the next level. Allah willing. 2. Talk daily with natives. Talk daily with natives. So you talk opting for a paid or free session or combination of paid and free session with a native speaker of repute. So if you are this is best done if you are learning under a coach. So those your colleagues, whom your mentees, your co-mentees, you can use them in this regard. So you talk to them every single day. You might be in different places. Let's say for example we are in Nigeria now. So one mentee is in Lagos, another one is in Ibadan, while the other one is in Kishi, Oyo State. So you can connect, since it is an online program, you can connect together online and pick a time, let's say 10 a.m., if that is the one that is convenient for you. Or let's say early in the morning, so 5 a.m., 6 a.m., or in the late evening, 9 a.m., where everybody will have returned home after work. So you can talk to them and you learn this thing together. So you speak to one another. So as far as you are a student, you are both learning the British accent. You can be talking, conversing together, and with that you become you become better in your way, in your mode of speaking. So talk daily with natives, and you can opt in for a paid session. We have a lot of them. So you can find a native speaker. He might not be a native, but somebody that speaks like a native. So find one and pay for their time. Okay. So this will help you with better communication skill. You can unlock many opportunities. Okay. Number 3, set a daily word goal. Learn certain amount of words every day. You have you have to dedicate a time. You can also listen to BBC Radio. I've mentioned soap opera earlier. Listen to BBC Radio every day and extract words, new words. Once you extract like 10 words, take your dictionary and check their pronunciation, the correct pronunciation. You can also download an app, a British app, so that will pronounce the words for you. So once you pronounce, sit down, find a cool place, and repeat what you have learned. Write the transcription beside the word, and you practice every day. You learn at least 10 words 10 new words every day. The, Also, you have to query yourself on how to pronounce every word you come across in English. With this, you become better. Let's say you are walking along the street and you just come across a tree. Okay, what is this called? Tree. Check the transcription out and pronounce. It will help you train your brain to be always be hungry for English. And once you achieve that, forget about it. Write a daily journal with a difference. Write 3 or 4 sentences about your day and incorporate words from your daily word list. Those words, at least 10 words you have learned for the day, put them together, include them, form sentences, and use them to construct sentence. Okay, this will improve your writing skills, vocabulary, and reading skills. Perform daily translation of subjects you are interested in. This is task number 5. Perform daily translation of subjects you are interested in. You can pick a YouTuber who of repute, of good reputation. So if they speak in a language, you can translate whatever they say into English. Translate it into English. Let's say they speak in a native language. So you translate whatever thing they say. This will improve your communication skill. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, Passionate Academy, please do, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be among the first to receive my update. Thank you for watching.